Okay. Shh. We're going to start our lesson by make sure you guys understand before the break that we talk about integrations, right? And we talk about there is a indefinite integral and there is a definite integral. What's the difference between definite integral and indefinite integrals? Robert is like, I already forgot. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, Zach.
One is like the numbers, like in a certain area, and the other one's just like overall.
Okay, good. That's a good starting. Anybody can elaborate more besides the, yeah, it's a between two number. Which one's between two numbers?
Definite, right?
Yep, definite. Good job.
Area under the curve.
Yes, area under the curve. Good job. And then the one without a bound is going to have what?
Just an equation.
It will get an expression plus c, right?
Yeah.
You will get actually original equations called differential equation, so you actually get the same thing. But we never talk about the idea of definite integral, so I'm going to write down. Definite integral. What? Okay, definite integral is equal to area under the curve. And not any area, they are exact. So they are exact areas. And we're going to talk about how that exact come in place. So we're going to start with something called approximations. So before exact, right? Before exact, you start from approximation. And go into exact. But how is that come in play? The thing's about a long time ago when you were little, that they give you a shape and they say, okay, I want to find the area of this island, and just say each square is going to be square mile. And you're going to go in and count them. You're going to say that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6, that's 7, that's 8, 9, 10. Have you done this before? Like to calculate the area of island, if something like this, and you're gonna approximate this. So technically, and you can say this one is 7, this 10, 11, 12, and then rest of them kind of approximate them. Half is you count at half, and eventually you add up everything. You say this is how many square mile is. So that's approximation, because we don't have a way to calculate the shape of things. Now, how does the approximation lead to exact, and what kind of approximation they are? There are a few different types of approximation. And start with a right Riemann sum. Or we call it right endpoint approximation. So that's first kind. The second kind is called left Riemann sum. You did this?
Is Riemann one word or two?
Riemann is one word. It's a mathematician, Riemann. He does very fantastic stuff. So 200 years ago, 250 years ago, I don't know how old this guy is, but he does the stuff it required today's technology to explain. So one thing he's very famous for is called Riemann surface. And it's something that I watched the documentary, I didn't understand it, but they have to use current day's technology to explain to you how it works. So if you're interested, look in how to do Riemann surface. And that's a very interesting topic. The next one is called midpoint rules. Midpoint rules. And the last one is going to call son of pineapple. My battery just died.
Maybe he's not gonna watch it. Oh.